insight about the Garinagu people. My president gave you a little bit, now I'll go into a little bit of depth about the Garifuna people. It started as far as 160 AD, when the Caribs and the Arawaks first settled Suriname, Guyana, and Magdalena along the banks of the Orinoco and the Magdalena River. Around the same time, because of food scarcity, the Arawaks decided that they will leave the banks of the Magdalena and Orinoco and decided to settle the Caribbean, where they settled the Greater Antilles of Cuba, Jamaica, and the Dominican Republic. In 1220 AD, the Caribs decided to follow, and they intermarried with the Arawak women, but they decided to settle the Lesser Antilles of Martinique, Dominique, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago. In 1220 AD, they have a Spanish ship carrying West African captives, which wrecked near Bequia St. Vincent. That was